Hi guys, now I'm going to introduce our TAPTES test Model S and Model X. Yeah, center console drawer storage box with the stainless steel pull handle. Yeah, you can see. This is the small stainless steel pull handle. Yeah, this is the small ring. The golden one, yeah, the silver one. Okay, and this this drawer storage box customized for test Model S and Model X with the round, smooth and comfort. Yeah, the comfort stainless steel pull handle, and it provides a closed compartment to store your cell phone. Yeah, can store your cell phones, your car keys, yeah, and the cars, your cash, yeah, glasses, and even the pens. Yeah, and you can just put into it and take it easy. Yeah, this is the wooden one and this is the pure leather one. And if you want to know more about our drawer boxes, welcome to taptes.com. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.